You hiked all day, the sun is down, and the tent is calling your name. Cap off your day with deep, rejuvenating sleep on the most comfortable backpacking pad ever created. With the luxurious comfort level of a car camping pad, the NeoLoft is the best way to sleep comfortably in the backcountry. At a dreamy 4.6 inches thick, and with 3D construction, it may look like a car camping pad, but make no mistake, its lightweight and compact packed size make it a true backpacking pad. The NeoLoft is available in 3 sizes: regular, regular wide, and large. The 3D construction elevates comfort with a 20% larger sleep surface than other backpacking pads. Sidewalls connect the top and bottom pieces, giving you more sleep surface with the same amount of fabric as a typical pad. This 3D construction makes the NeoLoft incredibly stable, allowing for superior freedom of movement and body adjustment, and offers incredible cushion and support for side sleepers. The side rail baffles give your body a tactile sense of the edge, and cradle you towards the center of the pad. The surface of the pad is made of stretch knit polyester fabric. Stretch knit is much softer than the nylon of most backpacking pads, making it especially great for quilt sleep systems when you're laying directly on the pad. Its fibers are knitted, allowing it to stretch and recover its tension, just like a typical base layer. This helps the NeoLoft conform to your body and minimize pressure points. Inside the pad is the ContourCore matrix. It's the same basic structure as our best-selling Neo Air pads, and makes the NeoLoft incredibly light, compact, and warm, despite its volume. The top row of triangular chambers in the ContourCore matrix are made of stretchy and flexible materials. Along with the stretch knit fabric, the properties of these materials allow the NeoLoft to contour to your body for localized support. The NeoLoft is fitted with the TwinLock Valve System. This system utilizes a high-flow one-way inflation valve and a rapid-release deflation valve. Each NeoLoft comes with a seam-sealed 54-liter pump sack that securely connects to the valve and quickly inflates the pad. The NeoLoft is a backpacking comfort revolution. Each detail of the pad comes together to deliver an unprecedented level of comfort and packability. With the NeoLoft, you'll never sleep the same under the stars.